Many people say that they are working too many hours. They don't have enough time with their families. They can't take care of things at home. They don't have time to relax. Work hours vary from one country to another. In France, people spend about 1,646 hours a year at work. In Japan, however, people work about 2,159 hours a year. That means a Japanese employee works 513 more hours a year than a French employee. That is more than 12 weeks or 3 months of extra work. Why do people work so many hours? Some people work extra hours because they want to earn more money. However, many companies don't pay overtime. Their employees don't get extra pay for extra work. These people work extra hours because they think it's their duty. Some people are afraid they will lose their job if they don't work extra hours. Many people say that their vacations are too short. In France, people get 5 weeks of paid vacation. In Germany, they get from 4 to 6 weeks. In the United States, 2 weeks of vacation is the average. Many people don't even use all of their vacation days. In one study in Great Britain, fewer than half of all workers used all their vacation days. In English, people say, "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy." If that is true, there are a lot of dull people in the world.